back to our lesson. There's something I want to take you through concerning percentage commission. Look here, this one is a vendor who sold goods. This one is referring to total sales, who sold goods worth 60,000. He gets a basic salary of 8,000. He gets a commission of a certain percentage. He gets a commission of a certain percentage from the sales that are above 10,000. Then at the end of that month, he gets a total earnings of 9,000. Let's look at this. A vendor, a sales lady, a salesman sold goods worth 60,000. He gets a basic salary of 8,000 every month. The commission he got is not given, it's a dash. So we are told he gets a certain commission from the sales above 10,000. Then at the end of that month, he got a total earnings of 9,000. Now our question is, what is the percentage commission? I'll say, as I said before, look at this total sales of 60,000. That is all the sales he made that month. And now we are given the basic salary and we are given the total earnings. So I want to know how much here did he get commission from? In other words, what is the commissionable amount? What is the commissionable amount? The amount of money which is above 10,000. What does that mean? 10,000 will come here. It is not touched, so it's non-commissionable amount. The commissionable amount is what we shall get. Where will it come from? Look here. Where did he get these total earnings from? His total earnings came from basic salary plus commission. His total earnings came from basic salary plus commission. There you are with your 9,000. There you are with your 8,000 and then your C. So from that simple equation, we are able to get minus 8,000 here. It's now gone. Our 1,000 is equal to commission. So this is the commission in shillings form. It is the one we want in percentage form. Again, we go back. How do we get percentage commission? Commission of a commissionable amount times 100. What's our commission? 1,000. What is the commissionable amount here now? This is the question. 60,000 minus the first 10,000, then you are left with 50,000. This one now is the money that is above 10,000. It is now our commissionable amount. So now 50,000 multiplied by 100. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. By 5, 1, by 5, 2. So the percentage commission he got was 2%. Example number 2 on this. Example number 2 on this. So this one is number 1. That was our 2. He sold goods. This time round, a salesman sold goods worth 100,000. At the end of the month, the basic salary is 12,000. And the commission, we don't know the percentage commission. All we know is that it is coming from the money that is above 40,000. At the end of the month, the total earnings was 36,000. Let's now come here and say again, this is the line which is showing you the total sales. Then there's a condition. The first money, which is 40,000, will not be touched, the non-commissionable amount. How much money shall we touch? We shall touch 60,000. This one is the money which is above 40,000, so it becomes our commissionable amount. That's number 1. Point number 2. Where did his total earnings come from? It came from basic salary plus commission. So his 36,000 came from 12,000 plus a certain commission. Our simple equation again gives us the value of C. You bring this one this side, it becomes a minus 12,000. So this is 24,000, which becomes our C. This now is the commission. We now go to point number 3. How do we get percentage commission? Commission over commissionable amount times 100. What's our commission now? 24,000. What is our commissionable amount? 60,000. Then I multiply by 100. 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. By 6, 1, by 6, 4, and a 0. So this time now, his percentage commission is 40%. And that's how to arrive at your answer. We shall now go to the very last item, which I had talked about. Getting total sales. Getting total sales. Getting total sales. An agent sold a house. Total sales 700,000. No, this time now we are not given. I'm sorry. We are looking for the total sales. We are looking for the total sales. So an agent sold a house. We don't know. At the end of that month, he got a total sales or a total earnings of 30,000, and his basic salary was 10,000. His basic salary was 10,000. He also got a commission of, let him get 6% of the sales that are up to. Of the sales that are up to, we shall work with above instead. That are above, for instance, 20,000. Then we shall see how much was the total sales. How much had he brought home? Now look here. I'll advise you to be drawing a table like this, like that, so that you are able to tell this side is for up to, also called the first. This side is for above, so that you know what you are doing in every step. Look here. The total earnings is here. So ask yourself, where did the total earnings come from? The total earnings came from basic salary plus commission. So the 30,000 came from 10,000 plus a C. Our equation now tells me to take this one to the other side and minus. We now have 20,000, which becomes our commission. Wow! So we are able to tell 20,000 is our commission. 20,000 is our commission. 20,000 is our commission. So we know the commission in shillings form. We also know the commission in percentage form. I want to work here with a very good number, 5%. So we know our commission in shillings form. We know our commission in percentage form. Let's now come and see. Where did our commission come from? From this side of above. The money which is above 20,000. Come now and say, wow, if the commission was 5%, which is now equal to 20,000, we have now formed an evidence point or an evidence line. The commission is here, 5%. The commission is here in shillings form. So if 5% is equal to 20,000, on which side of this above? On the side of above. Why? Our keyword was above. So the commission is got only came from this money which is above 20,000, which we don't know how much it is. But remember this side, we have our 20,000. We have our 20,000. Where did it come from? This 20,000 is in the question. Any money that's above 20,000, it's on this side, above on this side. Lakini now the first 20,000 was not charged. It becomes our commissionable, our non-commissionable, our non-commissionable amount. Let's now come here. Having understood that, if 5% is 20,000, what about 100%? Why am I talking about 100%? This is the total money that is commissionable. It is the one I'm referring to, 100%. Now, this one's gone. Close multiply. This one is 100. Multiply by 20,000. Divide by 5. By 5, 1. By 5 is 4 there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What do I have here? 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I can punctuate. Not better. This one is not our answer. Remember on our table now refers to all that it carries all the total sales. The non-commissionable amount, which is 20,000, and the commissionable amount, which is 400,000. Now, if I put it together, it gives me my total sales. Therefore, 400,000 plus the non-commissionable 20,000 becomes 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, and 4. This now is total sales at the end of that month. I'm going to do example 2 for more understanding. Example 2 for more understanding of the same. For more understanding of the same. Now, that's example number 1, example number 2. A salesperson sold some goods that we don't know. At the end of the month, he got a total of 6,000. Having been paid a basic salary of 4,000. The commission he got was 4% of the sales that are above 10,000. Look at the question now. Total sales is missing. Total earnings is given. Basic salary is given. So here I'm able to tell that there's a commission of 2,000. And this 2,000 will be equal to 4%. Now, we draw a table again and we shall divide it into 2. We shall have this side of up to, we shall have this side of above. So this is where the money we are getting commission from will come from, which we are referring now to our commissionable amount because of our keyword there. Now, let's see. This commission of 2,000, we already know how to get it because we are able to tell total earnings is basic salary plus commission. So our 6,000 is equal to 4,000 plus a C. Carry this side, it becomes 4,000 to be taken away. My 2,000 is our C now. This one went. Our commission is here in shillings form. Our commission is here in percentage form. Bring it to your table. On which side? Above. 4% is equal to 2,000. If this one is equal to this one, what about 100%? Why am I looking for 100%? So that I get all the money on this side, the total on this side, which becomes the commissionable amount. You have gone, cross multiply and divide. 100, 2,000 over 4 by 4, 1 by 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2. This will give me 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I punch it. Then I'll be very careful. This is just the commissionable amount, the money on this side. What about the one you left here? 10,000. Why? I only wanted the one which is above, which I have found. What about the first 10,000? It comes here. So now I should put the two together. I have my 50,000 and my first 10,000. So in other words, that lady was able to sell total sales of 60,000. Now our lesson ends there.